Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we are about to do some hair. Because baby, look at this. I was drying, but I'm done, okay? I'm done drying. So I went ahead and already put my hair in a mold. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start doing the ponytail. I will be using a little bit of glue. This is deep wave hair and this is a 14-inch, and I'm just gonna be doing that extended ponytail method. And I know there's a lot of them out there, and I've done so many of them. So I do it a different way every time, but I've already used extreme gel to mold my hair, and I used a little bit of the Got To Be, and that's all I use on my hair. I do it while it's wet, so I can kind of get the same curl pattern as the hair. And I know I'm gonna have to go back in and freshen up my hair, like my edges, because all I did was take them out. I didn't actually put any gel or anything on there. So I gotta go back in with my edge control and just like, you know, lay it down. So like I said, I am using a little bit of glue on my tracks, and that's just to help me get started. And I'm not gonna start the ponytail at the end. I'm gonna start it like right here where the black piece starts. And like I said before, if you don't like to use glue, you don't have to. You can always use the rubber band method, or you can use a bobby pin. But me, I like the method of using glue because none of it gets in my hair because of how I'm doing it. This thing actually just comes right off. So it's no damage to my hair. And I only use the glue as necessary. Yeah, I gotta show y'all because I'm upset about this hair, because I'm gonna show you guys the one that I purchased, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other one that I purchased. So I have two. I have this one, and then I have a straight one, which you probably didn't see me wearing that one because I don't think I made a video with it. I just put it in. But this is supposed to be the same color hair by the same brand, I believe, but this is giving me 27 vibes, and it's supposed to be a 30, which is you know, a darker brown, which is my hair color. So I'm upset about that, and I couldn't take it back because I don't live close to the beauty supply store, so it's hard for me to just go there, you know what I mean? So I'm a little upset about that. I love this color, obviously, but it's not my hair color, and that's what I was trying to go for, my hair color, because as you can see, this is way lighter than the color that's in my hair. But the straight hair that I had before was darker, just like my hair. It blended in so good. And this hair wasn't cheap either. It was like $60 a pack, and I got like 3 packs. Why did I do that? I don't even know, y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue wrapping this around until I get to the top. Yeah, but I wanted to do this ponytail because it was giving me Sierra back in the days. Y'all remember that whole era where we was all wearing deep wave ponytails with the bangs, and that was what this was giving me. And when I woke up, I was like, oh, I want to be so girly with that ponytail. But this color is cute, but like I said, the other color I felt like would have blended in so much more with my brown roots. But that's okay because 27 and brown is like best friends. But 27 and 30, I mean, it's best friends. But when I did this video, I was thinking, I was in the mindset of Sierra back in the day when I used to wear deep wave hair. And I used to wear it in a ponytail with the bangs. And it was such a vibe. Like, it was so cute. I kind of missed that era of time. Like, I was just listening to like Nelly Air Force Ones and just like, it's getting hot in here. Like, I was listening to all the throwback songs, and it was just like, dang, we had such a vibe. Like Lights, Camera, Action. I was just like, I was in here like having a whole throwback moment. Just like vibing and dancing. It was crazy. But yeah. I'm just like feathering this out. And this is human hair. So this is Remy. I'm gonna get me a piece of hair from the back. Y'all already know how I do it. And I'm gonna wrap that around. I'm just trying to let this little piece dry a little. But yeah, this is what I was going for. I love the, like I said, I love the color because 27, if you know, 27 is my color. 6, 13, 27, I love those colors. I just started getting into like a number 30. And I was wearing number 30 like for my plaits, but I mean like for my weaves and stuff. And that's because I dyed my real hair that color. It was like a ginger kind of color. And yeah, so I was a little, you know, upset because I really wanted that color hair. But it is what it is. Can't cry over it. But I am going to show y'all the pack of hair that I have so that y'all know. Like, it may look like it's this color, but it's not. And I have the other one fresh in the pack because I haven't even used it. I just took out this one. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So I'm just taking that and wrapping it around so it gives my ponytail, it sits up the way I want it to sit up. That's really what this wrapping around stuff does. And you want to make sure that you wrap this really good. So you see all those hairs that's sticking out? We don't want that. You could just go ahead and spray some got to be glued on there and use your hand to stick it on. Or if you have a comb, you could use a comb. And now you can wrap it. And this just really, to me, gives me like a Barbie. Gives me a Barbie vibe, I guess. These ponytails like this. And you just want to go in and just like kind of tease it out a bit. So that it looks, you know, it looks realistic and everything. And it's holding. But let me show y'all the pack. Hold on. So I did get my She's Bomb Edge Control. Like I said, I need to lay my edges. So this is the straight hair that I purchased from them. And this is a, I think this was a 16-inch. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks. This is the 16-inch straight hair. I love it. I had this in my hair like regular tracks. And this and this is two different colors. Like, no. So this is how the 30 looks in the pack. It looks like a darker brown. This looks like 27. I'm sorry. And this is a number 30. Says it on there. And this is the straight hair. And this is also the same brand, a number 30. So why is it that this is looking very 30 and this is looking very 27? But in the pack, it looks brown, like it looks dark. But as soon as I took it out yesterday, it was like, I didn't even take this out. As soon as I took it out yesterday, it was looking blonde when I started separating it. And I'm like, oh no, that is not what I wanted. Like, I wanted this. This is what I wanted. So y'all, this brand, SAMRA, y'all need, y'all colors is not right. I don't know what's going on because this is definitely looking like a 27 for sure. Like, look, this is like a 27 and this looks like a 30. Like, this is two different colors. Look at that. Look at this and look at this. Like, it's two different colors. So I was very upset because obviously I feel like I bought so many packs and now I'm just like stuck with it because after 30 days, you can't return it or whatever the case may be. And I'm not driving just to be like, just driving. I haven't been down there. So it's like, I'm just like not happy about that part. But I just wanted to show y'all this brand. The colors are very tricky. So just be mindful and careful. And another thing is when I first purchased this, I actually went there and I took it. I went there with the straight hair and I asked for a 30 and this is what I got. But I wanted more hair because I was like, I asked my mom to go down there and get it for me. And when she brought it back to me, I was like, what is this? And she was like, oh, it's a 30. I was like, it says a 30, but it don't look like the color that I bought. So yeah, I was just definitely like devastated. But I mean, there's nothing to be like, you know, crazy about. I'm just saying the color is not what it's looking like at all. And I didn't want to go through the headache. You know how these stores are now, like, oh, you can't return the hair, blah, blah, blah. So I was just like, whatever. I'm going to just keep it and make it work for me. And that's what I'm doing, because I'm not going to just let 3 packs of hair go to waste. Like, no. I bought 2 packs of the straight hair and 3 packs of the deep wave hair, because I already knew what I wanted to do to my hair later on in the year. But just reference that when you look at this company and you're trying to get this type of hair. That brand is, oh, it was an 18-inch, y'all, and it was expensive. The hair is very soft. Let me just say that it's very, very good quality hair. And this is Remy, but this is the 14 and this is the 18. And I think I paid like, I don't remember, but I think this one was like 60 something a pack or 70. This was 70 something a pack. I was very happy with this. I already put it in my hair, took it out, washed it, everything. But this one, I was not okay with the color. It's not giving a 30. Like I said, they're both number 30 hair, or color 30 hair, and it's not. So I just wanna let y'all know. So don't say I ain't put y'all on. I ain't tell y'all, because I told y'all it's not the same color. How and why, I don't know how they do that, but it's not the same color. But we're gonna go ahead and finish up this look. So I'm gonna do my edges. And like I said, I'm just using the She's Balm. Y'all, I love this She's Balm. Like it's very, it tames my hair so good. And I guess I really don't have much to do, because that cap, I just like threw it on. And when I threw it on, it kind of just molded my hair any kind of way, but it's cute. So it's not like I gotta do like anything crazy to it. I'm just touching up the little stubborn pieces. And if you wanted to, I mean, I would have done it, but I don't want to do it on this hair because I still want to do something else with this hair. But you could have cut these pieces right here to kind of make it, you know, back in the days, that's how they used to do it. They will like layer the front so it kind of sticks out a little bit. But I personally don't want to do that because I want to use this hair for something else. So I'm just leaving it like it is. And I'm just going to go in and kind of like just separate it and tease it out. Because this hair is very, like I said, this hair is very soft, very curly. It is some good quality hair. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, y'all. I hope you guys are getting to just see a different side of me, like just from when I first started making videos until now. I always get to see like the growth of me just talking, and just having a good time. Like we cousins, like we family, we at the barbecues, we chilling, we got the Smirnoffs, we got the tea, like we just chilling, having a vibe. Like that's what it gives now. Like, you know, like I know people have to come out of their shell, but that's what it's giving. Like every single time I make a video, I feel like I'm just getting so much comfortable, like being so comfortable in my own skin and just doing things my way, you know. So thank you guys so much for always supporting my channel. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.